I can't do it. I can't think this hard. I can't believe that my stats teacher gave me this project. What do I know about being creative and informative? I've been sitting here for almost a minute, and in all that time, I haven't thought of anything to do. I think it's time to call on a higher power. Okay, he should be along in just 1 second. Aha. You called? Yeah, I have to make a video project that's both creative and informative for my stats class. How dumb is that? Oh, I don't know. Sounds like fun to me. I was counting on that. Listen, do you think you could help me out with this one? This one? Alright, shut up. There's been a few. But I mean, I really can't do this one. I've been thinking for almost 1 uninterrupted minute. Whoa there, champ. Don't strain yourself. That's the point. I'm not going to. I mean, this stuff comes easy to you. All you have to do is just, I don't know, read me a chapter from the Bernoulli Binary story. Well, I don't know. Aren't you supposed to do this yourself? Alright, Mr. Math, when I signed the academic honesty policy, it said nothing about not appealing to spirits of math for help on an assignment. Well, yeah, I suppose I could read to you then, and that would be your project. Which chapter would you like? The best one? Then I know just the chapter. Leave this to me. We're skipping ahead to the ultimate chapter of our story. Bernoulli Binary and the Puppeteer.
Once upon a time, in the faraway kingdom of Binomial, there lived a young man named Bernoulli Binary. And when I say lived, I mean lived with his mother, even though he was like 30. He lived in a little house on the corner of idyllic and cliché. But why is it important to address his address? Well, Bernoulli Binary was a plucky, spunky, and other adjectives ending in Y young man who was always seeking out adventure and living life to its fullest. But not today. Today, the adventure came to Bernoulli Binary. Now, today was a special day, an exciting day for the Binaries, because Bernoulli Binary's Mama Binary had just told him that he was the heir. He was the true king of the kingdom Binomial. Let's watch what happens next.
What?
Oh, well, that was a little scary. Now that he's calmed down, let's see what's up.
What? It's true. You are the true king of the kingdom Binomial. But if Grandpapa Binary was king, Why wasn't my Bavario data? He believed that absolute power corrupts absolutely. He decided to be a failure and follow his dreams and go into the relationship business, judging the strength of relationships with his friend, our correlatio. Your father was nothing if not practical, Bernoulli, so he stepped aside when the money was no good and allowed your stepfather Ernst to marry me. But absolute power doesn't corrupt absolutely. Everyone knows that there are no absolutes in the moral void of relativism in which we live. I wouldn't be corrupted. I would be a good ruler, nothing like Madame Bovary. What's she even doing there if the binaries are the true rulers? No one knows how she got onto the throne, but we think she seized power in the vacuum created by the arguments with your grandpapa and Bavario Dada over who would take the throne. Of course a tyrant like her would seize power in such a way. So, what are you going to do? The decision is entirely yours, son. I'm going to challenge Bavaria and take back the throne that is rightfully mine. The people of the kingdom binomial don't deserve to live in fear of her anymore. Then go, son, and remember that your Mama Binary will be at home, praying to the great X so that he will protect you. You can do more than that. Come with me. Come, live in the palace with me. Oh no, Ernst would never want that. He, like your dada, is a humble man. All right, Mama. I love you. I love you too, son. Go on. Retake your throne. Fulfill your destiny. Make your mama proud. I don't feel good.